Now let's video.
Wait, I'm a dog, you're a bird. Wouldn't I eat you?
No, cats eat cats eat birds.
But dogs eat cats.
I want to say they always eat. Yeah, I guess so. They do eat cats. Alright, I don't have it. Yeah, I don't have any water. So I found this underground bunker.
Hmm?
When I wasn't even recording. Unfortunately, I wasn't. I decided not to. And that's when I found this underground bunker. This looks pretty interesting. And it came with stacks of loot, man. I found 5 rare chests.
What? Oh yeah. My game's so laggy.
Yeah, that's what happened to me at first. Like, did it? What?
Bro, last night I had a 3-minute queue.
Wait, what time did you stay up at?
Like 9, 10, 11.
Oh, I ended up going to bed. I was tired of waiting. I was like, you know what, man? I'm tired of waiting. I'm just gonna go to bed now. Mainly because it kept telling me I had to update my game, and I was like, bro,
where are we
you're taking
landing?
up all my space. This is where the dog's skin is.
Where? Oh, I don't see the marker.
Oh, did I not mark it? There we go.
There we go. I heard the marking sound. I just didn't see it.
Yeah, me too. I heard it too.
Bro, auto run is goated. Auto run is so good.
I really thought there was gonna be more than just like 4 POIs though, or like 5.
Yeah. But they did really good for just 4 POIs.
Yeah, like they're super big.
Yeah.
Oh, that reminds me.
No wonder it took them so long. Oh, I'm gonna get the.
Remember the movie?
I have the Thunderbolt. Playing with the big boys now.
Yeah, man.
You're playing with the big boys now.
No, also I totally forgot that we were on a scavenger hunt to find this Calderon note.
Yeah.
I tried not following.
I was gonna say, like, why is she in a Bible story? I wasn't gonna.
Oh, I didn't realize it. I didn't know it was a Bible. I was very confused. Wait, so this took place in. Also, there was no character that looked like.
Yeah.
The teacher.
There's
also,
like 3 kids by me.
It's also kind of convincing. The teacher literally says it. Like you have to believe it, because the teachers, you never expect that teacher to lie. Oh, don't worry, I got the brand new mythic, like one of the brand new mythics. You know Zeus's mythic?
Yeah, I have that too. I didn't use it. I'm playing Ring Around the Rosie with this guy. Quick. Oh, I had a crown too. I forgot.
Oh, yeah. So, the medallions no longer give you extra points. The medallions no longer give you extra health. They give you superpowers.
I know, it's crazy.
Yeah, man, because one medallion will give you. You know how I just dashed through the area like that?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna pull that trigger yet.
Yeah.
It was so unexpected when I pushed it, because I was not expecting it to just me to straight up pull it off.
There's a kid right there.
It's a birdie! Alright, I hear 2 dudes.
Run. Or do that.
Bro!
Yes, sir, Colton.
That is your crown. I don't have to keep it. I'll go. Okay.
Yeah. Can you hold and just
What's
give
up?
me
Oh, I can't hold 2.
Colton. Mark the thing. No, like on the ground. Because it fades away if you don't. It fades away eventually. Mark on the ground.
I have no idea what that is. I'm just gonna leave.
Yeah.
Can't be that far. Oh, mark the ground.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, like it took me a moment to process that. I was like, because I was like, wait, what do you mean the item's gonna fade away? So I was super confused. And then I remembered. Oh wait, yeah, those items eventually just disappear in the market.
Yeah, like
my
the
brain is
marker
still
goes
processing
away.
what you
The
said.
marker goes away. Can you drop my crown over by the stuff?
Yeah. But you have to go to bed for me to do it, so you can probably figure out about me doing it.
kind of sus.
Oh no, I meant like in your dreams you can get this
Oh,
pack.
I thought you meant in a different way.
What does the umbrella even look like?
Oh, it's really cool.
Oh, they each
It's
have
kind of like
different-
golden and white.
Yeah, but I have blue.
As soon as you stop talking, I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I just stared at you. Nope. My friend's zone's too far. Which way is this correct? Okay, yeah, it's this way. Hey, buddy, wanna see something? 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
One. Like, bro, when you do that, it's so unexpected. Like, I did not know you would do that. Oh, you can't. I almost tried to say that. But man, there's so many more fish. Oh my god. I went to Sandbox mode and typed in fish, and there's like 1,000 fish.
Why are you
They drop
pickaxing?
ammo. Because I don't know if
Fair. But they drop ammo.
no, that is a good point. Oh, there's more wolves. Echo Battalion.
Okay. Defeat Cerberus. Where's Cerberus?
I'm also glad they don't restore their own shield. Oh! I almost died. Alright, run. There's a kid behind you too, and there's a kid sniping. I think they realize I am in the valley. There's a guy right next to you inside. He's creeping up,
Oh.
I think he knows where. Yep, there he is. I totally forgot they added the train. Like, bro, at first I think they removed the train. I couldn't find it on the map anymore. Look, there's the birdie wings.
There's one more kid.
Let me see.
I don't know. Loot later. No, I didn't want to mark the medkit. Mark the ground. Okay, where's the kid? Oh.
Alright, I thought he was hiding for the rocket for a second.
Did I kill him? Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think he killed him with the 120 HP.
Okay, where's the reboot van? Never mind. Bro, I clutched up. That was so. Wait, how come we both have the medallion? That's crazy. No, it just shows it. See for you.
Dun, dun, dun. Wait. Yeah, I think where it is.
Oh yeah, you don't have to hold it down anymore. It just does it automatically. Yeah, I'm not holding down the button. Okay, I marked the loot for you. There's some.
Please.
Yeah. I'll drop it over here.
Look, I'm a bird finally. Wait. Look at my wings ready. I finally learned how to fly.
Wait, did you take everything?
No, not everything. About almost everything. Look,
Yeah.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
Cerberus' pump shotgun. I need an AR. Oh, speak of the devil. Cole, come here. Oh, I love my loadout. Wait, what's that? What's the thing that's marked? Oh. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, you have the wings. The dreams of a bird. They're shooting up here. Really? Oh yeah, you're a bird. Oh, they're not. Okay. Should I use the lightning bolt or no? No. The lightning bolt is only in like clutch situations.
Yeah.
Like what I did with it.
Yeah, we
Before.
really need it. I think you now realized me.
You good? Yeah, cool. Is there another kid?
I completely ran out of ammo with my shotgun.
Oh, actually? Really?
Yeah, I currently have 6 ammo, but that's okay.
Oh, I can give you some.
Yes, we can summon a spawn supply drop. See this? This is
Shotgun ammo.
This is what summons. See? Watch me close it.
Whoa.
See?
Oh, and then there's a car.
Oh, bro, I might buy the new car that's in the shop. It looks so cool. I might fly up to it.
Can you shoot him down? Oh, you can.
Oh, I ran out. Yeah, my birdie thing just disappeared now. A purple cipher. You want it?
Sure. Okay.
Wait, do you even want that?
What, the purple sniper?
No, the purple SMG.
I don't really use SMGs that much, but actually, yeah, no, I don't want it. Wait, where's the thing?
What thing?
Go. Where's the car? Where's the car? The car's
Oh, you
long
mean-
gone.
I don't know where it is. That's not. Get him. One on
That was easy.
I just hit 10 headshots in one match.
10? Oh, there's only 9 people left.
Oh, I really hope you won this.
That has no scope. Okay. Let's go to the. Wait, there's another car.
Yeah, this is my favorite SMG. My favorite gun. What are my favorite guns?
Colton, you do it, because your car's way cooler.
It is. Yes, it is indeed.
Go to my marker. That's where a bunker is. Bro, that's fire. That's.
I'm super glad the Lamborghinis actually got himself out.
They are?
Yeah, they were limited time.
Nah, I probably won't buy it.
Yeah, they were only
Oh yeah, I found the wings.
Anyways, goodbye.